Let me show you 7 websites where you can make over $1,000 writing articles monthly. So the first website is betterhumans.pub. On betterhumans.pub, you can write articles and get paid. So here's their submission guidelines for you to check out, and it has been updated as at April 26, 2023. So you can have access to all the information you need on publishing for Better Humans. Yes, very amazing platform for you to write for and get paid. So the next website is Cosmopolitan.com. Cosmopolitan.com is also an awesome website where you can get paid to write articles. Yes, very amazing website. They have all the details for the pitch that you can use to guide you on what to submit. In my previous video, I spoke about how you can submit a pitch and what to include, and also a pitch format. So you can check out the video. It's going to appear over here. You can check it out and see. So you have all these details for you to follow and get approved and also get paid eventually. So the third website is called Listverse. I covered Listverse earlier on. It's an amazing website, super amazing website. Yes, you can get paid $100 for your article or for your piece. Yes, very amazing website. And also there are samples of what they want. You can see samples over here, so you know what to submit. And these are their rules that you could use to get the details you want to ensure that your pitch passes through the first stage or the first stages of approval. The fourth one is called Zeal. Yes, and it's on Medium, so you can submit articles to as well. There's a breakdown of everything that you need to know concerning that. So they pay $100 for 2K to 3K words of writing, and also they pay $100 to $150, and it's negotiable for original illustration, for promotion, or article illustrations, depending on your rates and budget. They also pay $150 to $200, negotiable for comics, depending on your rates and also their budget. So you can always submit to Zeal and get approved too as well. All right, the fifth website is called FamilyFun. FamilyFun, yes, FamilyFun. So you can submit this is the submission guidelines, and they pay $1.25 per word, and the length should be between 850 and 3,000 words. So at this particular rate, if I were you, I'll target 3,000 words. So let's go with 3,000 words multiplied by 1.25. If you write a very good article of 3,000 words, you're going to get paid $3,750 straight to your accounts. Amazing way to make money. So there are other departments too that you can write here. You can write as many as you want. You can see there's so many of other subsections where you can write on. FamilyFun is my #1 website in this particular list. Take any value from this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell notification. By doing so, you get notified each time I post videos like this, and I do that every single day. All right, the sixth website is called herviewfromhome.com. Yes, so this is the guidelines for her. That's the name of the website. So you have the entire guidelines that you could follow and submit. So they said here, we pay our writers. So we have they pay to PayPal. Yes, they pay to PayPal as well. So you have for the pay scale, original content, here they pay per view. So if your article gets 4K plus views, you get paid $100. Yes, so that's how their own pattern is. They don't pay you directly for the article, they pay you for the views the article gets on their platform. And finally, number 7, we have Motherly. So you can write for Motherly, between 700 and 900 words. So we have all these details. So you could write for Motherly and get paid as well. Have all these details that you could follow, and in no time, once your article is accepted, you get paid. So the most important thing, guys, is that you take action immediately. Take action from all these websites. If you want to learn more about writing, I created a series of videos that could help you using AI tools, and also just writing on your own. You can check the link over here or in the description of this video. Also, I created a compilation of ChatGPT prompts that will help you. So you can check the link in the description of this video and you see it. Yes, created both the free and the paid. Yes, free version, you get a ton of ChatGPT prompts, but on the premium version, you're going to get even more advanced prompts that will help you use ChatGPT even better. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Stay safe and God bless.